What's up, Bulls? I'm Jessica, and this is News in 90. Art is one of the greatest forms of expression. At USF, the Center Gallery offers students and artists in the community opportunities to showcase their work. One student tells us about their experience.
While interning for Center Gallery, I got to see a lot of inspiring work, and also it was a good place to meet inspiring individuals.
So this show's called In Space TV. This is actually my first time doing an installation like this. And so I had to think about how I can use the space and decorate the space according to the work that I have, which is space themed.
The Center Gallery offers students the perfect space to take a break and enjoy artwork. News in 90 correspondent Candace Williamson tells us more.
The Center Gallery is the only nonprofit art exhibition run completely by students in the entire state of Florida. The gallery sees over 4,000 visitors each semester. Here's what one visitor has to say.
What I liked about the gallery today was how it fitted the theme. So it was dark, the decoration, it fitted what the person was showing on the video.
Yes, I would come to the Center Gallery because I think it's important to get arts out there because it gets overlooked a lot.
If you want to be a part of having your artwork showcased here, stop by the Center Gallery in MSC 2700 to learn more. I'm Candace Williamson with News in 90.
Make sure you visit the Center Gallery to find your favorite piece of artwork. I'm Jessica Barron with Housing and Residential Education. We are the best place to live, best place to work, and best place to learn. Until next time, go Bulls!